everybody's in the market. After people say that money, there's money in this Lagos o, because the number of people I saw in the market today. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? So, in case you do not know, this is Susan Henshaw's space. Welcome. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. And if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to turn on the notification so that you get notified when I post. So today I am going to be doing a little bit of cleanup, and then I'm going to be going to the market to get some things for Christmas. So come along with me while I go shopping and while I do some cleanup. Hi guys, right now I'm on my way to the market to go get things for Christmas. So come along with me while I go do some shopping. Right.
Music.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from the market now. I've gone to buy the things that I need for my Christmas food. So hold on while I show you what I got. Why is no one talking about how expensive things are in the market? I went to the market today and I was just shouting, hey, 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 things are so expensive. The money that I once said, okay, I'm going to use this money to buy things, I exceeded my budget. So you guys, I beg, what's this country turning into? I'm tired. Things are so expensive. Anyways, let me show you guys what I still got. So here are things I got. I got bell peppers, yellow, red, and green. I got vegetable oil. I got oyster sauce. I got soy sauce, light soy sauce. I got my favorite rice stick. Then I had to buy this transparent thingy, and I bought pan because I'm going to bake and a few other things. I had to get this brownie for baking as well. So here are just the things that I got. If I tell you how much I got these things, you guys will not believe. But anyway, let's take that one. At least I've got them already. So there we have it though. Those are the things that I got from the market today. I still have some things that I've not gotten yet. So I'll probably get them tomorrow because I got back very late. It was so full. Everybody's in the market. After people say that money, there's money in this Lagos because the number of people I saw in the market today. Anyways, I want to say a very big thank you to everyone that has, been watching my videos, that been commenting, liking, sharing. Thank you for your support. Thank you so much for everything. I am grateful. So you guys, don't worry. I'll be dropping content back to back this Christmas period, this 25th, 26th, 27th. Expect vlogs from me. Thank you for sticking with me. Bye. Mwah.
Music.